Hey guys, welcome to another Churchly tutorial. We're talking all things widgets. We have made it quite the way down the list. We are all the way down here to code. So what is code? So if you're like church community builder or using something like that, there's where you may find some things to embed into your website. You might find an Planning Center as well. We can embed code into our site to do certain things. So let's see what that looks like. It's super easy. You're not going to spend a lot of time on it. Let's add a new block just so we have some new content, an empty block, just so we have the space. Let's go to the widgets, let's go down to code and drag that in, drop it. Now here's where you get to go, oops, I deleted it. So let's grab that again. Add the code widget, drop it. Just trying to move it over here so you can see it a little better. Let's go to our website. You will go grab your code, come back over here and paste it in. Code will look something like that. What in the world am I looking at? All a bunch of code. Well, this is the Church Community Builder login window, so that's what this is. Let's click out of it. There's where it is. We might need to adjust some styling here so that we've got some space because this form is a little big. So let's see what that does when we save it and preview it. Let's scroll down. And here you go. Here is your Church Community Builder login window for username and password. This is the default Church Community Builder styling. I don't love it, but it is what it is. So you can position this anywhere you'd like. You could add, say, a second column. You could move this code over here to that column. And then you could add something over here that talked about how cool Church Community Builder is and why you need to use it. Let's add a header. So got the heading text. Oops, I laid it beside it. Let's resize this. There you go. There's your header. There's your text. Let's align this in the middle. And then, yeah. There's your space. So save the changes. And you can refresh here to take a look. There's your login window and your heading that we created. So that's how to do code. Code is super, super easy. It's as easy as it sounds. Paste it. You can also go in here and say this is HTML, CSS, this is JavaScript, SQL, XML, or plain text. If you are using this code widget, then chances are if you're doing anything outside of HTML, then you know what these do. If you don't know what these do, don't use them. It's as simple as that. But if you know what you're doing with code and they said, hey, go paste this into your website and it's going to work, just this HTML selection is just fine, and we're going to execute the code. So if your code's not working, double check to make sure that this execute code is marked, or else it's going to look like that. So let's execute the code, which means it's going to render what you've pasted in. So that's it. That's all you've got to do. Hope that was helpful. If not, and you still have questions, jump over to the Need Some Help button here. Ask us a question. You can search for additional answers, or you can shoot us an email or chat with us if we're available. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.